What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we finally got a pair of the Yeezy 700 V3 Azareth. We've never seen Yeezy go with a color scheme like this on a 700 V3, so we're definitely excited to add this to the collection. And guys, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because this is something bright and exciting from Yeezy. So we're definitely going to be experimenting with different outfits to make the sneaker pop on feet, so stay tuned. Unlike the previous two colorways that came out of the 700 V3s, this came out with that bright blue on the side, which really gives the sneaker like a brand new fresh take on the 700 V3s. It really gives the sneaker like a two-dimensional look because the other colorways had like just one tone color all around the sneaker. But I still feel like the previous two colorways will be a little bit easier to rock as an everyday sneaker. I also love that they included this extra pair of lacing on the Yeezy 700 V3s because you never see like extra pair of laces on any Yeezy, so this is very interesting. Now there are a couple of interesting details on this sneaker that makes it stand out from the previous 700 V3s. The first one is the color. You guys know this color scheme is very different from the previous ones, and it has this translucent RPU cage, which you can really see like the engineered mesh in it and like the different variations of blues and grays in it, and it really makes it stand out. All the 700s come with this classic thing on the toe box, but they included this new lacing system, which is a lot different from the previous ones, which had the normal lacing. This one has a bungee cord lacing system, which is a lot cleaner than the previous ones, because I personally think the previous ones, the lacing is pretty much useless because you don't really tie the sneaker, and it's a little bit tighter on feet, so you won't basically have to tie the sneaker. Now moving down to the midsole, they included this true white color. The previous one had more of a eggshell, more off-white color, but this one is definitely gonna get more dirty, but it's definitely gonna be a lot more cleaner. As far as the outsole, it has this translucent color, and the EVA foam has that mustard yellow color, which is similar to the Alvas. As it pertains to sizing, this sneaker is definitely more narrow than the previous 700 V1s and V2s, and so we'd suggest you guys go a half a size up or even a full size if you guys want the sneaker to fit more comfortable. And you guys know the sneaker doesn't have boots, so it's definitely going to be really stiff on your foot, but we chose to go with a size 9 because we like it to fit a little bit more snug, and it doesn't really bother us. Yeah, we like breaking the sneaker in. This sneaker was definitely more sought after than the previous colorways, the Alvas, because this blue definitely made people more interested in the sneaker. It's definitely going to require you to put more thought into your outfit, because the previous one you could just throw anything on since it's all black and it will still look good. This one you have to coordinate your outfit. It's definitely going to make the sneaker more versatile in my opinion, and more wearable. We're definitely going to be trying to add colors that bring out the colors in the sneaker, like especially this bright blue. I think an orange or like a tan color would go really well with the sneaker, so we're definitely gonna be trying to add those in the outfits to make each outfit unique and different. To be honest, when I first saw pictures of this sneaker, I wasn't a big fan because I thought it was a drastic change to just switch up the colors like that, but having the sneaker in hand, like, it totally looks different from what I was seeing on pictures. The blue is actually a more warm and like inviting kind of blue, and it really makes the sneaker pop. And I like how they went with the translucent cage this time because you can really see the mesh, and like it really makes the sneaker different from the previous colors. In my opinion, this is one of the best Yeezy sneaker that has released in 2020 so far, and we're very glad to add it to the collection. So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. We put together a detail on feet showing you guys how we rock the sneaker. And before we get to the on feet, if you guys are new to the channel, please guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, and please turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we post a new video. Guys, please drop a like on the video because it really helps the channel. And guys, make sure you drop a comment down below. Let us know what outfit you guys like on feet, so it's definitely gonna be appreciated. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.